Again guys, this is the before and the after, so let's go put that in the car. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry of my voice, I'm a little under the weather, so that's why my voice sound like that. But anyway, the work's got to keep going. Today we're doing a quick video on the 2022 Honda Accord. All we're doing is a cabin filter and the air filter in the front of the engine. So we're gonna start and get the process going. Also, all of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed, I can't even say that. Hit the subscribe button down below, put notification bell on so you don't miss any of my video. Without further ado guys, let's car storm it. Alright guys, so this is where the air filter is. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. These look like 8s. We may not have to take this out. Like, we might be able to just lift this up and pop it off. This is a little dirty, so after that I think we're gonna clean this guy up a little bit maybe. Alright guys, so let's do the air filter now. Okay, alright guys, now let's just lift this guy up. Oh, hold on, not quite done yet. Alright guys, so we don't need to take anything out. We can take the air filter out this way. There you go. This one is fine, but this is the part. You see how dirty this is? There you go. This is why we need to change it guys. If you can change this every oil change, that'll be the right idea. Look at that. So it definitely needed to be changed. Alright, let me show you the new one we bought guys. Alright guys, so this is the new one. We just got this from the local parts store. I think it was like $22-25, something like that. This is what it's supposed to look like. So this is the after, this is the before. So very simple mod, and you need easy to make your car breathe better and save on gas. So let's go and put this in the car now. Alright guys, all you have to do is lift this guy up, pop this guy in. There you go. Now we tie everything back up. Alright guys, the engine air filter is all done. Let's go inside and do the cabin filter. It should be just as easy. Let's go. Alright guys, so the next filter is over here. So to do that, we just open the glove box and then push it this way to lower it. There you go. You may not need to take the whole thing out guys. And then the filter is right here. So right here guys is the filter. Let me put my camera down. Oops. Use both your fingers. You pop this guy up like that. And then you pull this guy off. Look, it should just come out. All right, there we go guys. Here you go. You see how dirty this is? This is very bad. Look at the stuff inside. Let me show you guys. You see that one is really bad. Look at that, definitely needed to be replaced. Okay, let me show you the before and after. Again guys, this is the before and the after. So it should be fairly simple. To get the filter, you just go to your local auto parts store. You probably can. I'm actually going to put some link for Amazon if you guys want to buy them on Amazon. But if you are interested, here is the part number. There you go. Let's go put that in the car. There you go. It needs to go like this. Push it all the way in. There you go guys. You just put this thing back. You just clip it in. Boom, very simple. Now all you have to do, lift this guy back up. That's it, she's all done. All right guys, all done. Super simple mod. Make sure you do that I would say every 3,000 miles to second oil change, or every 6,000 miles. If you drive a lot, I would do it every 3,000 miles. Very important, because this is the air you breathe in, and then this is the air that your car needs to run properly and save you on gas. But anyway, it's all done. Like and subscribe, comment down below. Till the next time, peace.